Is there collagen in bone broth? Bone broth is often said to be a healthy food rich in collagen. It can be made by simmering animal bones in water and a small amount of vinegar anywhere from 4 to 24 hours. Then bone dissolves and releases collagen and minerals. Factors like cooking time and temperature, bone's type, acidity affect the amount of protein and minerals extracted. So it's doubtful that all bone broths will have the same nutritional value. In reality, bone broth contains small amounts of minerals naturally found in bones. They include calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron, phosphorus, sodium, and copper.